Fletch, Murph. It's Sunday morning at 10:15. I just wanted to thank you. Thank both of you. I've been practicing for over 20 years, and for the first time in my life, I have confidence with extractions and implants. It's Sunday at 10:15. I just removed a tooth where before I would have removed it, but it wouldn't have been as easy as I thought. And I'll show it to you. The patient didn't want to save that tooth, so I was able to remove it within 20 minutes and then place a nice pack. Well, here's the tooth. I'll show you. There's how the tooth was. It was fractured. I was able to remove it in 20 minutes, placed an osteogen plug, put sutures there, non-traumatically, and all that was possible because of you. Please tell all your students that I probably make over $5,000 or $10,000 a month just on extractions, treatment planning for implants, and it's all because of the confidence you instilled in me. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I hope everyone is really learning with you guys. The best experience of my life. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.